Welcome friends, myself Nitin and I am part of Apex Tata Docomo Group. Friends, Apex Telecom will be change your life for economical freedom. It's my challenge. Just become an associate of this company. Our work is based on direct selling of Tata Docomo postpaid connection. Dear friends, as we know that there are many telecom companies in India and everyone want to reach the top of telecom sector. For it, they apply many types of new and different business ideas. One of this, direct marketing, which is related to MLM. Now, be confident because I am talking to about it that how you can connect and earn by company. There are three types for connect the company where your payment mode will be weekly and your payment will be transferred in your bank account automatically on Monday to Monday. First is that you can be an associate of company by a registration of 300 rupees only. And company will give you a golden business opportunity and a ID card of Tata Docomo and Apex Telecom. And company will give you a cell phone network booster as a gift worth cost of 600 rupees. And if you are interested for postpaid connection of Tata Docomo, you can take a SIM card. It's not compulsory for you that you must take it. If you are interested, you can take. And if you are interested for postpaid connection of Tata Docomo, you can take a SIM card. But it is not compulsory for you that you must take it. If you want, you can take. Second type for connect the company, if you can take an area franchisee on cost of 9,000 only. Advantage of area franchisees. Company will give you 23 associate registration pins worth cost of 9,000 which is required for registration. And company will give you 20 rupees per associate registration which connect by company under on your franchisee. And company will give you 50 rupees per SIM card connection selling which is sold under on your franchisee. Third type of connect the company is that you can take district franchisee on cost of 33,000 rupees only. Advantage of district franchisee. Company will give you 20 rupees per associate registration which connect by company under on you. Company will give you 50 rupees per SIM card connection selling which is sold under on your franchisee. And company will give you 100 postpaid SIM card with bunch of 100 forms and 1 day training on your nearest Tata Docomo level. And district franchisee receive 10% monthly commission by every area franchisee monthly income which is under on those district franchisee. Now, come on the business plan. When you will become an associate, you will be eligible for earning. Dear friends, as you know that this is a direct marketing concept and related to MLM, so here your income will be unlimited and more than your expectations. When you sponsor any two person as an associate in your left hand side and your right hand side, in this condition you make a pair and you earn 100 rupees per pair. And then after you will work with those members team for increase your team and earn money like that. An associate can be get income of 5 pair per day just like this video. Be confident for your first pair you need the ratio of 1/2 or 2/1. Then after every pair you will be count as 1:1 till infinite depth. By a single associate registration you can earn 500 rupees per day, means you can be earn 15,000 monthly. And there is no foundation that you can take only single registration. If you have many contact numbers, you can take more associate registration on name of a single person. An area franchisee can be get income of 10 pairs per day, means a single area franchisee registration can be earned 30,000 monthly. There is no foundation that you can take only single registration. If you have many contact numbers, you can take more area franchises on name of a single person. Dear friends, when any associate reach above capping limit, they can convert the associate registration into the area franchisee just after take a top up. Now come on the income of district franchisee. A single district franchisee registration can earn 1500 per day, means 45,000 monthly. If you will start the work with a tricord of associate registration, means 3 registrations of associate, you can earn 1500 per day and 45,000 rupees monthly on capping. Then after, when you will top up your 3 ID and convert into area franchisee, you can earn 3,000 rupees per day and 90,000 rupees monthly on capping. So friends, just start the work with us without any investment and make money for fulfill your dream. Don't be late because opportunity never comes again. Best of luck and thanks for watching it.